budget session has once again, not so very surprisingly, has been curtailed again from 5 days with the excuse of Ram Navami falling on one of the days to 4 days. This had also happened in the winter session where even the private members' bill day was not permitted. Now, let us not be surprised about this. The very essence of the legislature, the parliament, has been made a mockery by this brute majority government. We are seeing it in parliament, we are seeing it in every state assembly where this brute majority and this government, double Indian Sarkar, are functioning. So, what are we actually heading for? Absolutely, the brute majority has made them arrogant and absolutely functioning in a dictatorial manner. Every democratic institution that was meant for the purpose of having a healthy democracy is being ruined by this. Very recently, the Supreme Court has laid down the principles of appointing the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner to have a free and fair poll. And the principles are that a panel headed by the Prime Minister, the Leaders of Opposition and the Chief Justice of India would be the authority to decide on this. So we can see at least we have a judiciary today standing up. Let's hope and pray only God can save this country.